big gains that we are seeing at this moment. Let's look at this. This is the actual information, and let's go constituency by constituency. Narela, AAP is leading. Mundka, BJP is leading. Shakur Basti, Satyendra Jain, BJP is leading. AAP is trailing. Balli Mara, AAP is leading. Tilak Nagar, AAP is leading. Bijwasan, BJP, Kailash Gehlot is leading. Malviya Nagar, Satish Upadhyay is leading. Greater Kailash, Saurabh Bharadwaj is leading. Patparganj, BJP, Awadh Oja trailing. Then we still to get. We are waiting for leads to come from Rohtas Nagar. Burari, AAP is leading. Kirari, AAP is leading. Trinagar, BJP. Karol Bagh, BJP. This is an SC seat.
That's a big one.
Big one for BJP.
He could be the potential chief minister, a Dalit candidate. Gautam.
All right.
Dushyant Gautam.
Dushyant Gautam. All right. Janakpuri, BJP is leading. Palam, AAP is leading. RK Puram, middle class colonies, BJP leading. Kalkaji, BJP leading. Atishi trailing. Lakshmi Nagar, AAP is leading. Seelampur, AAP is leading. Timarpur, AAP. Sultanpur, Majra, AAP, that is Mukesh Alawat. Wazirpur, BJP is leading. This is Ragini Nayak is trailing here. Patel Nagar, BJP is leading. Vikaspuri, AAP is leading. Now, AAP has never won the Vikaspuri constituency. If they are leading here, something is happening, anti-incumbency against the BJP. Delhi Cant, BJP is leading. Mehrauli, BJP is leading. Tughlakabad, BJP. Vishwas Nagar, BJP. Gonda, BJP. Adarsh Nagar, AAP. Nangloi Jat, BJP. Model Town, AAP. Moti Nagar, Harish Khurana, BJP is leading. Uttam Nagar, AAP. Rajinder Nagar, BJP. Okay, so Rajinder Nagar is where Pathak, Durgesh Pathak, and that is where the flooding happened and IAS aspirants lost their lives. Now the BJP leading.
Chhatarpur, BJP. The guy, he shifted.
No, that is Bijwasan.
No. Chhatarpur, he shifted from AAP to BJP.
That is Bijwasan, Kailash Gehlot.
No. Even Chhatarpur.
Okay.
Chhatarpur, a big, this...
Kartar Singh Tanwar.
Badarpur, BJP. Krishna Nagar, BJP. Babarpur, AAP. Babarpur is Gopal Rai. Badli, Congress is leading. Mangolpuri, AAP. Sadar Bazar, BJP. Madipur
is Rakhi Birla.
Dwarka, BJP is leading. New Delhi, BJP is leading. Parvesh Verma. Wouldn't he be a aspirant for the chief?
He along with Gautam.
Okay. Deoli, SC seat, AAP is leading. Okhla, BJP is leading. Gandhinagar, BJP. Gokulpur, BJP. Mustafabad, AAP. Shahadra, BJP. Tirlokpuri, AAP. Ambedkar Nagar, BJP. Jangpura, BJP. Manish Sisodia trailing here. Yes. Matiala, AAP. Rajouri Garden, BJP.
Is Manjirdhar Singh Sirsa.
Sirsa is leading here, and again, this is a Sikh-dominated seat.
Exactly.
Chandni Chowk, BJP is leading.
That's the big one. I don't think it can hold.
Minority seat. Is there cutting of votes happening? Rohini, BJP. Rithala, AAP. Bhavana, AAP. Shalimar Bagh, BJP. Matia Mahal, AAP. Harinagar, BJP. Najafgarh, BJP. Kasturba Nagar, BJP. Sangam Vihar, BJP. Kondli, AAP.
A completely working class area. If BJP is winning there, it's significant.
It's leading. At the moment, these are trends, and this is what we are seeing. And well, Seemapuri, BJP, Karaval Nagar, BJP. Seemapuri again minority dominated, and the BJP leading here. Things are happening on the ground. BJP at 43, Aam Aadmi Party at 26. That is the situation. Is it early to call the elections?
What you are saying, Congress is getting massive votes in a lot of these minority-dominated seats, other seats, and that is helping. Because 15% Congress swing is a major swing.
So is that the reason why the Aam Aadmi Party was saying Congress or BJP mili hui hai? I don't know. We'll debate that. But Tehseen Poonawalla joins us back, and Tehseen.
And I kept telling you Congress will more than double its vote share. I kept telling all of you all.
3 times.
Yeah.
Congrats.
Thank you so much.
Very responsible for the defeat of the Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi, but certainly not much in terms of seats conversion happening for the Congress party, but resurgence for sure.
Yes, you had to finish off the Aam Aadmi
Party. We have the BJP spokesperson
you have to finish off
joining us, Pratyush Kant. Pratyush Kant of the BJP joining us. Pratyush Kant, are you calling the elections already? Is the BJP celebrating already in their offices this election? Question coming to you from the studios.
Ma'am, we were very sure from day one when the election started that we are going to win this election, because we were able to call the fraud of Kejriwal, and our workers were managed to convince people of Delhi this time that we need development in this city. Either it was, the environment, the roads, the schools, the hospitals. Actually, city was crumbling. And we were managed to send across this message to everyone. Henceforth, we were sure of the fact that we are going to win the election. We were telling everybody this time that Kejriwal has made so many promises, और वो इतने झूठे promises थे, and we will manage to convince people this time. And we also owe it to the social media that we were able to show the people कि देखिए 5 साल पहले क्या बोला and now what he is saying. So slowly we managed to, the झूठ का उसने जो महल बना रखा था, we were able to go across to people and convince them. And hats off to every BJP worker who went down to the last man in the colonies. We had hundreds and hundreds of chota nukkad sabhas in RWAs, in small colonies, everywhere. We were able to pinpoint to people कि आपके यहाँ तो घर के सामने गार्डन भी नहीं बचा है अब. Everything, they managed to kill the infrastructure of the city, and we are absolutely sure of the fact that we are going to win with a very big majority this time, only because it was Narendra Modi's success which people are seeing in the country, and what Kejriwal did to us in
Guarantee,
Delhi,
absolutely.
we were
Modi
seeing.
ki guarantee works, and even though freebies were given by the Aam Aadmi Party, has the Modi ki guarantee worked even in Delhi just like it did in Haryana and Maharashtra? Before this, joining me this morning is Abhinandita Mathur, national spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi. Well, we're waiting for her to join in, but Sabha.
I want to say one thing, that the BJP has also put up a different campaign to 2020. They worked on the ground, and the idea, the Prime Minister's assurance that none of the benefits will be taken away is also, must be also mentioned. He was very clear, no juggies will be demolished and you will get exactly what you were getting from AAP. He said all this. Then comes a budget which helps them. And the ground thing, and it was not like the 2020 campaign where a certain ideological base is always there in the BJP, but there was no shouting communal slogans from podiums, which was done in 2020. They kept that under check also.
But the big news point is the urban cluster. Swati, take us through what's happening in the urban cluster, because there was an urban-rural divide and we were talking about these divides. In the Jhuggi Jhopdi, the fact that AAP is popular in Jhuggi Jhopdi, BJP is not, that fact has been demolished. Now let's look at the urban cluster.
Yes, this is where in fact the BJP has gained the maximum. 30 where the BJP maintains its leads, and this is the urban cluster. Here you see that the BJP is gaining dominance, and as far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, they maintain their lead on 13 seats. Just one more cluster that I want to show you here is the Punjabi Khatri cluster. Again, BJP has gained maximum here, 15 where the BJP maintains its lead and just 4 for the Aam Aadmi Party. So if I go to the AAP dominance cluster, here you can see this is the AAP dominance cluster where you see the BJP expanding its footprint. So this is where the BJP again has gained more, 25 where the BJP maintains its leads and just 18 for the Aam Aadmi Party.